Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be taking a close look at the Xyberia V20 gaming headset. Firstly, before we go on, my name is Philip Kova and I like tech products. If you're interested in some of the products we'll be mentioning in this video, all the links will be down in the description below. So the Xyberia V20 gaming headset has quite a few things going for it. And the first thing I like about this gaming headset is the build quality. If you take a look at the plastics, they are made of a nicer plastic material, which is nice because it doesn't feel cheap and it feels a little more premium in your hands. It also comes with a braided cable, which is also a nice quality feature to add. When the headset is on our head, the tightness isn't so tight where it's pushing against our head and we're unable to wear the headset for a long period of time. And it's not too loose where if you move your head from time to time, it's not gonna fall off eventually. Which brings me to my second point, the comfort. I would say the comfort on these headphones are quite good. It's made of this artificial leather material that has soft padding, and it goes against the top of your head and the earmuffs. The earbuds are nice and poofy, which means we're able to wear the headset for a long period of time without too much discomfort. However, the downside of the poofy headphones is that there's not too much breathing room on these things. So if you're in a room where it gets a little bit hot and you need more breathability, it may get a little bit hot from time to time in the ears, but that shouldn't be too big of an issue. The headband is adjustable, so you're able to fine tune it to your head shape so that you'll have the perfect fit and it'll be comfortable for you. When adjusting the headset, you're gonna notice that the headset is adjustable by clicks, which is nice because every adjustment you make hits a click and then it locks into there. So it's not like the adjusters where you just slide it and eventually it's gonna loosen up to the point where it doesn't slide too well. So I think that's pretty nice that they included a clicking system. Now let's talk a little bit about some of the features and controls of the headset. On the braided cable, you're gonna have two controls. You're gonna have a little volume rocker where you can adjust the volume that the headset is outputting into your ears. And then you're also gonna have a mute button for the microphone, which you're able to turn on and off on the fly. And speaking of the microphone, you can adjust the microphone to go both up and down, also left and right. So you can get the microphone in the perfect position. The headset works on everything on consoles, Macs, and PCs, as well as phones and tablets. So here's how it works. If you're on Mac, all you do is plug in the AUX cable and the microphone is going to work, as well as the audio. And if you want the lights to glow on the side of your headset, you're gonna have to plug in the USB cable for Mac. It's not required to plug in the USB cable for the headset to work. The only thing the USB cable does is provide the neon lights on the side of the headset. If you're on Windows, you're going to have to use the adapter. The adapter comes with both a microphone and an audio AUX cable. And of course, just like Mac, you're gonna have to plug in the USB cable if you want the lights to work on Windows. And then if you're on a console, all you do is plug in the AUX cable and it's going to work. However, keep in mind that you won't be able to have the lights since most gaming consoles don't have the USB plug directly to the controller. So the audio quality on this headset is a little bit on the deeper side. You're gonna have mids and lower basses a little bit better than the high tones. The high tones do sound a little bit pitchy, but it's not too noticeable once you start actually using the headset for a few hours. But overall, I like the headset. I've been using it for a few hours and I didn't have any complaints with the audio quality. And last but not least, let's talk about the audio quality of the microphone. I would say it is a little bit on the muffled side, but it's not bad at all, especially at the $30 price point. So now we're gonna do a microphone test. The microphone I'm currently using is a Rode Video Pro microphone. This microphone is pricey. It runs for around $200, and this is the only microphone I have right now that I can compare against this budget gaming headset. So you will definitely see a big difference in the audio quality, but that doesn't mean the gaming headset microphone is bad. It just means there's a big difference between the two products. You're comparing a $200 microphone versus a $30 gaming headset. So there's definitely gonna be some differences there. Here we go with the Rode. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. And now the gaming headset. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. And now the Rode. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. And now we're back on the gaming headset. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So yeah, there you go. That's the difference between the gaming headset that's $30 and this Rode microphone that's almost $200. I've spoken with some people with this headset and nobody complained about the audio, and I was able to understand everything everyone was saying. I had no issues communicating with my team despite the audio quality being a little bit worse than what I typically use. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about this gaming headset down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you want to support my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. And of course, if you want to see more tech videos similar to this in the future, consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.